Hi, are you someone who is trying everything to lose weight and yet you're not seeing any results? Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Ruma. I'm a certified fitness trainer. I'm a certified fitness nutritionist, and I'm a women's fitness specialist from International Sports and Sciences Academy USA and National Academy of Sports Medicines USA. Very recently, I was awarded the prestigious Times She Unlimited Rising Star Award by the Times of India Group for my work in the area of health and fitness. And in this video, I'm going to cover the top reasons because of which people find it difficult to lose weight despite doing everything right. All right. So, and I request you to be very, very interactive with me on this video, because if I ask you to put in a comment in the comment box, please do so. You will realize that when you're interactive, your learning also goes up exponentially. And another thing, keep a notepad and a pen ready so you can keep a note of everything that I'm sharing with you on this video. All right. So the number one reason that people often find it difficult is counting calories, but not counting the right kind of calories. Let me explain that to you. Now, if you are on a weight loss program, your nutritionist may have given you a calorie deficit diet plan. And how you are trying to accomplish your calorie deficit is by, say, you consumed an ice cream and you entered it in the calorie counter as 200 calories. And then you compensate it by skipping one of your meals like lunch or dinner. Now, that is a wrong thing to do, because the kind of calories also matter. The kind of macronutrients that go into your body along with ice cream can often change your hormonal balance inside of your body, which can, even if you're on calorie deficit, can interfere with your weight loss efforts. All right. And especially if sugar is something, fat is something that does not go well with your body, then you may find it difficult. So it all depends upon the kind of calories and the kind of food items that your body responds to, and the kind of food items that your body does not respond to. So be very, very careful when you're talking about a cheat day or a cheat meal, because because if you are not aware of the kind of food items that your body absolutely rejects, then you may constantly be in a vicious cycle thinking that I'm following a nutrition plan, it is a calorie deficit plan, and yet why is it not working for me? All right, so that is the number one thing because of which people find it difficult to lose weight. Number two is doing exercises, however, not doing the right exercises which are targeted towards fat loss. Now, let me explain that to you. Many people think that, I've been working 30 minutes, let me walk for 1 hour. Let me increase my duration of exercises. Let me do more hours on the treadmill. I'll run more time on the treadmill. I'll do 2 hours of yoga. But when they do that, they're putting in so much of effort, but the response towards weight loss is very minimal. You know why? Because you need to choose exercises which will give you more efficient progress towards your weight loss goals. And there are certain exercises that do that. And those exercises, please note this down, those exercises are strength exercises with compound movements targeting the large muscle groups in your body. Because when you build muscles, it increases the metabolism. When your metabolism is higher, it leaches to run the functions of your body. It leaches, it consumes the energy that comes from your stored fat. All right, so that is what is needed. And another type of exercise that will help you burn more fat, stored fat from your body, is high intensity interval training. All right, so do the right kind of exercises. Now, if you're with me on this concept, if you understood this well, right exercises are RE in the comment box. All right. Number three reason, which may be coming in the way, you may be eating right, you may be exercising well. What you may not be doing is you're not drinking enough water. Water helps to boost metabolism. Every 500 ml of water that you drink will boost your metabolism by at least 25 to 30% over the next 30 minutes. So continue to drink water throughout the day. Oftentimes we get so busy with day-to-day activities that it skips us to drink water. So get into the habit of drinking water. Once you build the habit of drinking water, your body itself will continue to crave for more water. You'll be thirsty so frequently that you will not be able to do without drinking water. And after that, you can stop keeping a track of how much water you're drinking, because your body will give you signals whenever it is thirsty. All right. And if you're above the weight of 70 kgs, you need 3 liters of water spaced out throughout the day. If you're below 70 kgs, you need 2 to 3 liters of water throughout the day. Minimum 2, maximum 3. Above the weight of 70, you need minimum of 3 liters of water throughout the day. All right. So if you are with me on this concept, then write water intake, WI, in the comment box, please. WI in the comment box. The next one is, you may be doing everything right. You are drinking enough water, you are eating the right kind of, you are eating the right kind of food with the right kind of calories, and you're doing the right exercises, yet you may be struggling. Look at your stress levels. If you are someone whose stress levels at home and at office is very high, you may find it difficult to lose weight, because higher levels of stress releases a hormone called cortisol in our body, and that is also a hormone that comes in the way of your weight loss. So look at your stress levels, and if that is high, then work on relieving stress management practices like meditation, breathing, exercising, being in the sun for longer duration of time. All of these will help. So bring your stress levels down. If you understood this concept well, right, bring stress levels down. BSLD in the comment box, please. The next reason, everything may be going well. Everything I have said so far, you're probably 100% on this. Then it is time for you to check your vitamin D levels. Vitamin D is a nutrient. If it is deficient in your body, it can come in the way of your weight loss. All right. So this is time. You have tried everything, whatever I have explained to you, you're already doing right. Then this is the time for you to check whether your vitamin D levels are right or not. Get a blood test done. And if you're vitamin D deficient, then get yourself supplemented for vitamin D with vitamin D after consulting your physician. Now you've done all of this. One of the biggest reason why you may not be losing weight is because could be that you are a woman above the age of 40. Now, a woman above the age of 40, our body is very, very different. The hormonal status is changing on a regular basis. Right after the age of 35, we get into a zone called premenopause. And then at the age of 50, around the age of 50, we get into menopause. And during this time, our hormonal state is constantly changing, and that causes weight gain as well. And here, oftentimes you will see that you're doing everything right. Everything I've said, your vitamin D levels are also good, and yet you are struggling with your weight loss. And that is, and then that needs attention in terms of how you balance your hormones after the age of 40. Okay, estrogen is a hormone which is a female reproductive hormone, and it helps us to get our periods on time every month. From the age of 35, it starts to come down, and it starts to come down. And by the time we hit menopause, the estrogen levels would have come down to a very minimal level. And estrogen regulates the function of insulin hormone in our body. So, and insulin is an anabolic hormone which instructs our body to store fat. So when your estrogen levels are going down, insulin is creating havoc in our body, which is making it even more difficult for us to lose weight. So with that, these are the top 5 reasons. And if you're a woman above the age of 40, then write WH4, women above the age of 40. Sorry, WA4, women above the age of 40. All right. So these are the top reasons because of which we find it difficult to lose weight. Women's Health Mastery Starter Kit is the program which is designed exclusively for women above the age of 40. And if you are someone who wishes to know more about it, then please click on the link below to know more about the program and join me in my masterclass, where I will explain to you the different things a woman needs to do in order to maximize her health, reclaim her youth, and live a life of your dreams. Okay, so meet me live in my masterclass, and you will not only get to learn about the 4 concepts with which you can completely control your health, but you will also learn about the Women's Health Mastery Program. All right, so I look forward to seeing you live in my next masterclass.